You recording, sir?
I am.
Hello, Albert, reporting for duty at Daniel's house today. So I posted a video of this track being built. How long ago was that? 2 months? 3 months? 4 months?
4 months?
Forever ago.
Yeah.
And I finally have made it here. I've made time to drive just an hour and come and check out this track. So 402 Tracks and Trails built this thing. Let me get a little closer so the audio is really good. 402 Tracks and Trails built this thing. 402 Tracks and Trails did my Supercross track in 2017. I think they do, he does James Stewart's place where Sexton and Cincerillo ride. I mean, pretty much any top guy, 402, Brad at 402 does it. So this track's sick. We'll take you along for some GoPro stuff. Have the Sky Dio out here, my drone, so we'll get some drone shots, hopefully, if I can, you know, do it right. And then I'll have Daniel film me a little bit, and then I'll film Daniel a little bit. I'm on his trusty, what year is this? 2020 KTM125, and then he's got a 21.
Yeah.
Kawasaki K250f. So we'll bounce back and forth on these things and have some fun. This is like the ultimate backyard track. If you know where it is, for God's sakes, do not post it in the comments, guys. I'm actually serious when I say that. It's private property, so respect that. And just be jealous that you can't come ride it. Okay, folks? All right, we're gonna have some fun. So when you land the one right behind you, you gotta land way harder on the gas. You're landing on the gas, but land way harder on the gas.
Like wide open?
Yeah. Can you try it right now quick, unless you're too tired?
The one, like right here?
Yeah. Land wide open, and it'll pull you out way better. Sick. Take your time in the turn, take your time. That was better. I didn't
get in the right gear.
I didn't get it on film though.
You're joking.
I pressed the button and I was playing. Son of a gun. You suck. You're rushing the corner. Like really get set up in that pocket and then on the exit ramp up that acceleration. I think you're trying to rush the corner still a little bit too much. Like even I come out of that corner and I go wide open and like kind of stretch it ish. You're just sliding out like crazy. It might be good practice for the rest of today to just hit that inside line where I was going on the 125.
Yeah. And
then to just practice a scrub instead of, because it's kind of a pointless jump to an extension that's not really saving you a whole lot of time and it looks like it hurts. Alright guys, who knows what the heck that footage came out looking like, but I hope I can salvage some from the GoPro stuff and from the Skydio. Just playing around, having a fun day off. This is probably one of my only days off that I'll have until, I don't know, December. So just trying to enjoy it. Make sure you guys subscribe. We just hit 65,000 subscribers, so thank you guys. Goal is to get to 100K. So subscribe. Subscribe to Daniel's channel. Just kidding, he doesn't have one. And see you guys next video. Don't know when I'm gonna drop this, but I'll see you guys in Toodaloo.